everyone. So as requested, today I've gotten my interview experience, that what all I did, what all I said, what all was asked, and how was the whole process. So I'm going to tell you about that. So firstly, when I went inside after the security checking, then there was a process of biometric verification, document verification, everything happening. It was basically document compilation. They gave me a file, and in that file they asked me to compile all my photocopies of the important documents that were mentioned. So that particular file had all the important photocopies of all the documents which had been uploaded on the website before. Now, when all these things were compiled, that ping file was taken. Your main document file was is to be taken with you. You go for a biometric verification, and after that, after security check again, then you go to that hall in which there is document verification happening. In document verification, they will see that what you have uploaded and what original documents you have brought with yourself, and they'll compare both of them, that both are same or not. If there is any discrepancy, they'll tell you about that, and your document may be rejected at that time. So make sure that both these things are same. Okay, after this, after document verification, there is another verification also, in which they see that all the uploads that you have done on the website, they have been checked thoroughly or not. After this, what happens is they keep your ping file, and they say, okay, we have it for record, and you just take your original file, and then you are requested to wait for your turn for the interview. Meanwhile, we were waiting for our chance for the interview. Yeah, we were given one paper in which a virtual ID was written, and we had to take that virtual ID with us. We don't have to take the call letter with us, because it would have a name and roll number also in the call letter. So we were not required to take the call letter as well as our original documents inside. And there were a group of five students outside each class, outside each room, and there were nearly 9 rooms. Okay, so after this, we had a chance to go inside, and it was taking nearly 10 to 15 minutes each.